I am Mohsin Ali. I hope you are doing amazing today. I am going to tell you about Imran Khan party. Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we bring you the latest news and analysis on Pakistan's political scene. Today, we're discussing the government's move to ban the PTI and the implications of the Supreme Court's ruling that made it the largest party in parliament. Imran Khan, a former Prime Minister of Pakistan, is facing tough times with the government trying to ban his political party, the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf (PTI). This move by the government comes after the Supreme Court of Pakistan made a big decision that gave PTI more seats in the country's parliament, making it the largest party there. The government's decision to ban PTI is because some of Khan's supporters were involved in violence and targeted military places during protests that happened after he was arrested on charges of corruption and foreign funding. These charges are serious, and the government is also trying to bring treason charges against Khan, which is a very serious crime. Khan was removed from his position in 2020 through a no-confidence vote, which means that many people in the government did not support him anymore. After that, he continued to be popular and led large gatherings of his supporters on the streets until he was arrested in August 2023. Even though the government tried to stop PTI from doing well in elections by arresting its leaders and putting pressure on them, millions of people still voted for PTI in the February elections this year. The party had to run its candidates as independents because of the government's actions, but they still won and claimed victory. However, there were accusations that the ruling government cheated during the elections to get more votes. The Supreme Court stepped in and said that PTI is a real political party and should get more seats in parliament. This decision was important because it gave PTI seats that are usually for women and minorities. Because of this ruling, some big legal cases against Khan were put on hold, like a conviction for an illegal marriage that could have given him a 7-year prison sentence. Many people are not happy with the government's attempt to ban PTI. They say it goes against the Constitution of Pakistan and is not fair to democracy. The Human Rights Commission of Pakistan, an organization that works for human rights, said that banning PTI would be a big hit to democratic rules, especially since the Supreme Court had already said that PTI is a real political party. PTI leaders believe that the government is feeling frustrated and angry because of the Supreme Court's decision to make PTI the biggest party in parliament. They say that the government is not legitimate and is taking the country in the wrong direction, towards chaos. They have been saying since the February elections that the government is not fair, and the Supreme Court's decision has shown that they were right. In simple terms, the situation in Pakistan is that the government is trying to stop Imran Khan's party, PTI, from operating because of some issues with the law and protests. But the Supreme Court has said that PTI should be the biggest party in parliament, and many people think that trying to ban PTI is not right and could hurt the country's democracy. Khan and his party believe that the current government is not fair and is causing problems for the country.